Right. So we are Women in Computing Sciences, which is also known as WICS. And we're just gonna kind of describe like what we do, talk about some of the memories we had, and if anyone has any questions, we would love to hear them. And if people drop on like during, we'll definitely fill people in. So welcome to Wix. We are a club with a nice community of girls in pursuing computer science or any type of computing sciences. So we have girls in the statistics department. We have a different type of engineering majors, such as computer engineering, computer science, and even if people are minors, they like to join as well, so that they get more experience and that they can meet more people who have similar interests to them. And today we're going to go through a bit about what we do. And I'll have like some of the girls on my exec board come and talk about some things. But first, let's introduce ourselves. So I'm Maddie. I'm a fourth year. I'm the president. Pooja.
Hi guys, I'm Pooja. I'm a third year and I'm the treasurer.
Hi, my name is Emma. I'm a third year and I'm the social chair.
Hi guys, my name is Ayushi and I'm one of the industry relations chairs.
Hello everyone, my name is Victoria, but all people call me Vix, and I'm the other industry relations chair.
Awesome. So that's just some of us. Now we're going to go dive into a little bit of our memories. Emma, you want to talk about the social events?
So we have a lot of events just to keep our community engaged and help form bonds between students. So this past fall, we had an inter-party over Zoom just to welcome all the first years and help them get to know all the exec members and other students. But throughout the school year, we'll have other social events as well, such as game night and other mixers with other organizations. And we also like to keep in touch with our alumni. So recently we had an internship panel where we welcomed alumni and they talked about their experiences navigating their careers. Yeah.
And yeah, a lot of these these are just from this semester, so they were online, but also for like in-person events, we've done a lot of cool social events such as like Friendsgiving and just trying to keep people within the community like together. Pooja, do you want to talk about some of these?
Yeah, so Wix also in addition hosts a ton of industry related events. So in the past years, when things were more in person, we did a lot of fun things. So we did yoga with Capital One, where students were able to communicate and network with Capital One recruiters and engineers while also partaking in some yoga. And then we also, one of our biggest things with our events is we get a lot of free food. So this one in particular was Roots with Paraveda Solutions, which is a small consulting firm right outside of Chicago. So this was a really cool event and everyone got a free Roots bowl as well. So we have a ton of events like this throughout the year. Some of the companies that we usually partner with are like Microsoft, Willow Tree, Capital One. Those are just some examples. Or Appian or Yext, and the list keeps going. So stay tuned for those events as things start opening up in person.
Yeah, Ayushi or Vix, do one of you want to talk about some of the online events we did this past year?
So last semester we actually did a CS career exploration panel where we brought people from all of the CS backgrounds, from software engineers at Microsoft to some professors that went through the grad school experience for CS. So yeah, that was really cool, and a lot of people came, and it was really fun, and a lot of people said that they got a lot of that event. So I'm not sure if we're gonna do that next year because we're not gonna be online anymore, but we will eventually do something similar.
Yeah, and we also had like events like last semester we had Google come and do practice interviews. And so that was really fun. And then this semester we had coffee chats with Facebook. So we had a lot of different like virtual kind of events that were still like informative and really fun.
Awesome, thank you. I'm going to talk a little bit about mentorship. So we have a mentorship program where we pair first and second years with third and fourth years. So you can know a little bit more about the major, talk about any classes that you're worried about, or they can even help with your schedule, and sometimes talk about like interviewing for internships and things like that as well. Or it's also just a new friend, a new familiar face, which is also really fun because I've met a lot of my friends through this as well. And this was a mentorship meetup we had pre-COVID, and the ones that we've been doing online have been like, we've been doing like one-on-ones, but also group mentorship between different groups. So like 3 or 4 groups will get together on a Zoom call and just talk or play games. This is one of our other pillars for Wix. And so we also have the hackathon. So this was the one that we held in person called Hack to the Future. And this was our first like actual one. And it was held like in MSC, which is the Multicultural Student Center. And it was really fun. A lot of people showed up, and it was, well, like for a first hackathon, it was really nice. We had a cute little area of people, and we were able to cater food, but also like show people on the side here. You can see that we had people come from companies to come and talk and come to mentor students who were participating in the hackathon. Had a lot of awesome volunteers, if you see in the middle, and then on the right, these were people demoing their project at the end. And then on the bottom left, there's people who came and gave workshops. And then on the bottom right, these are just some of the participants as we were going through the day, as they were coding and learning new skills. And then in the middle over here is the planning committee for the online hackathon we did this past year called Hacks of Kindness. And we put on a hackathon every year. And we were so grateful for all their help. And it was a big success this year. So I'm very, very happy about that. So if you want more info, you can definitely go and check out our Instagram. It's Wix at UVA, and we post there quite a bit, which is really nice to get in contact with everyone. So that's kind of it. Thank you for listening. And if there's any questions, definitely let me know.